Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. Are you interested in making money online? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 different ways that I personally tested to make money online using ChatGPT. That's right, the same artificial intelligence language model that we're using right now. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The first way I tested to make money online with ChatGPT was through freelancing. As a language model, ChatGPT can help you with various writing tasks, such as content creation, copywriting, proofreading, and even translation. I decided to put ChatGPT to the test and offered my services on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. I was amazed by the response I received. Clients were impressed with the quality of work ChatGPT produced, and I started getting orders regularly. With Chat's assistance, I was able to earn a substantial income by providing valuable writing services online. Another way I tested to make money online with ChatGPT was by creating a YouTube channel powered by ChatGPT. I realized that ChatGPT could be a powerful tool to generate content ideas, script writing, and video editing assistance. By leveraging Chat's capabilities, I was able to create high-quality content more efficiently, which led to increased engagement and monetization opportunities on YouTube. ChatGPT truly became my creative companion, helping me grow my YouTube channel and generate revenue. The third way I tested to make money online with ChatGPT was by building and selling chat-powered products. I realized that ChatGPT could be used to create various digital products, such as chatbots, writing assistants, and customer service tools. I developed innovative products by leveraging Chat's language capabilities, and I marketed them online through my own e-commerce store. The demand for chat-powered products was overwhelming, and I was able to generate a substantial income by selling them. And there you have it, folks. 3 tested ways to make money online with ChatGPT. Whether it's freelancing, creating a chat-powered YouTube channel, or building and selling chat-powered products, the opportunities are endless. So, if you're looking for ways to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to make money online, ChatGPT can be your perfect partner. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to tap into the potential of ChatGPT. I've personally experienced the benefits and success of using ChatGPT in these 3 different ways, and you can too. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the possibilities of making money online with ChatGPT today. It's easy, efficient, and incredibly powerful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content on how to make money online with ChatGPT. Until next time, happy earning.